Suknu MLA K. Ranjit has appealed to residents of Sero to return to their homes, claiming a peace has been restored in Sero. Speaking to media persons at Sero, MLA K. Ranjit asserted that resettlement has started at Sero since September 2023 under strict protection provided by state and central forces, and so far no untoward incidents have occurred at the place. While assuring safety, MLA Ranjit appealed those families who are yet to return to their original homes at Sero. Speaking further, MLA Ranjit also stressed on the need to provide monetary and other assistance to displaced persons in order to help them restart their life by providing a basic house construction and repair expenses along with means of livelihood. He urged the government under President's rule to address the issues faced by IDPs and newly resettled families at the earliest.
Serau sugunusina hangai changba yadaba ngarang khakta changba yahanbadona uba pot amakak social media da ubse musi laibak thibni haitare adu nate sugunuda ihana jun gi tang 13 da serau duna September da relief camp hangaga mathang laaga jik tamna serau di sugunudi matamdudagi resettle tawbuse hawre aduna sigumba lu hoba matamsida nagumba singna na pusallaaga resettle tahollabni kholabni habi khudong chaba longna honaba manba khoi mayamna tawjagirbodo karimta tawdobdo tawdo badu tahonbiganu kaina mayamda appeal tawningbase khoi serau sugunugi oinadi karimta khoi chinganingai leitre chinghong chingya sida Assam Rifle na fazana madugi protection pigre mathangda BSF khoi MR IRB commando fully cooperation pinaraga khoi praja singse fazana protection pidana hanagi live haiba tare adu halaktana leire aduna mayam serau sugunugi huji yumda halaktadra leibiri ba igi iraicha sing ima ibel sing halaman sing maru mapang sing halao pai punna thanaba iramdom se khoi mayam na kandragadi kanana kangani aduna kari matra chingnaba leibiganu